Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Docker Desktop in your computer in a very simple way. For that, what you have to do, you have to simply open any of your favorite browser and then simply come for in your search option and then simply search for Docker Desktop. If you select it, then you're going to get the first website from docker.com. Click on the first website and then here you can simply see the option for download Docker Desktop. If you just put on your cursor on it, you're going to get the different version downloading option. I'm going to download for Windows AMD 64. You have to choose any of your operating system. And then if you click on that, you're going to see the download has been started and it will take some seconds to complete. For that, you need to give patience. After complete the download, you can see click on it 2 times to install and simply minimize your browser. And you can see that there will be installing Docker Desktop visibility, and it will going to for the configuration. So here first is checked for use WSL2 instead of Hyper-V. It's recommended, so you just check in. If it's not checked in, you can simply check in, and then the second one you can simply check in also. Click OK and you can see the unpacking files is now running in your desktop. Basically it's downloading or installing the Docker Desktop in your computer. So you need to be patience. And you can see the installation is succeed, and now they are looking for close and log out. When you click on it, then it will going to automatically restart your PC. So for that, you need to make sure if anything is running in your background, you need to turn off. If you have clicked on it, automatically restart your PC. After restart, you can simply see here is a Docker Desktop in your Windows is showing. But if you want to check it rightly installed or not, for that what we can do, you can simply go for the start icon and simply search your CMD and run as administrator. And here if you type Docker and give a space and -V and click enter, it will going to show you Docker version 29.0.1 is built. Basically this message is clearing that your Docker version is rightly installed. After you can see the Docker subscription service agreement, so it will now looking for to open. So I'm going to click on accept, click enter, and it will going to downloading the subsystem of Linux. So well, this is another message to go. I will not going to go for this section. What I want to say you that this is we can simply download Docker Desktop in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.